I'm super excited about this dish. Thanks to Mindful Chef, I'm eating something that I generally wouldn't have. So this is trout, and the topping is lemongrass and chili and garlic and all those things I usually use, except lemongrass, which is delicious. So I've kept a little bit extra, and I'm going to infuse some in hot water to make a tea. There's some coconut rice going out there. And what's so special about trout is that it's a fish that is rich in omega-3, which is an essential fatty acid. So having a portion, which is half, is 150 grams, provides over 2,000 milligrams of omega-3. Now you want to have between 500 and 800 a day, so that's 5 days worth in one portion. So if you're eating a portion of fish like this twice a week, you've got your omega-3 requirements covered, and you don't need to be taking a supplement unless you specifically want higher dosages or doses because you might have an inflammatory condition like arthritis. So I'm going to pop this into the oven and I'll show you how it looks. So look at that. So delicious. I'm going to have half now and keep the other half to have cold as part of a salad tomorrow. So that's another time-saving tip. If you're spending time in the kitchen, and especially if you're going to use energy and time to heat up the oven, make more than what you need so that you can really get extra mileage from it. Can't wait to tuck into that.